GLUE stock analysis. Tuesday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Monte Rosa Therapeutics stock. So Monte Rosa Therapeutics been 100% up for the day, but I do see like 2-hour candles going down. This is kind of the end of the day, so I guess, I mean, it's completely normal. But if you look at the glue stock, I will see a pretty big expansion out of nowhere, and I like this. I definitely like it. And I'm looking forward to doubling down. I'm definitely looking to double down on this band. Like, I'm just trying to jump in on the bandwagon and make money, of course, but in a strategic approach. So the only thing that will sell me on this buy is going to be a decent 5-minute double break. Obviously, we are dealing with high percentage of gaps, but the likelihood of this gapping is also quite high. I mean, this is what I'm trying to say here, but again, unless I see a decent double break, I'm not going to buy. And obviously it is possible, because what the hell am I using here? So yeah, if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.